Hello everyone. I hope you stay healthy during this pandemic. So in this video, we will discuss about flood in Jakarta. And before we start discussion, I will introduce my teammate. The first is Novanda Dwi Putra, NRP 10, and Sekar Putri Budikinanti, NRP 12, and myself Bogaris Gumelar, NRP 17, and Afan Hidayatullah, NRP 24. And in this video, there will be several topics for us to discuss this time. The first is what a flood is and the case of flooding in Jakarta. The second is the causes of flooding in Jakarta. And the third or the last is the impact caused by the flood in Jakarta. So let's start discussion.
According to Suripin 2003, flood is a condition in which there is water does not collect in the drain or obstructed water flow in the drain, so that overflowing inundated the surrounding area or floodplain. Flooding can also occur due to discharge or volume of water flowing in a river of drainage. In a river of drainage channel above or above its flow capacity. This is a map of the distribution of flood in the Jabodetabek area. Can be seen in the following image. Water overflow is usually not a problem if it does not cause losses, death or injuries, does not show the settlement for a long time ago, and does not cause other problems for daily life. In the puddle occurs side enough for a long time, and often it will interfere with human activities. In the last 10 years, the area and frequency of floods have increased with greater losses from BNPB 2013. In Indonesia, floods have been going on for a long time. In Jakarta, for example, floods have occurred since 1959, when the population was still relatively small, from Kompasiana 2012. In Indonesia, floods have been going on for a long time. In Jakarta, for example, floods have occurred since 1959, when the population was still relatively small, from Kompasiana 2012.
The cause of floodings. Coded and Sheriff 2006 explained the factor causing flood change in land as garbage disposal, erosion and sedimentation, slums along river, improper flood control system, like rainfall, river physiography. In the Kuwait river capacity, detail influence, land subsidence, water buildings, the max to flood control buildings, the occurrence of floods influenced by human activities or developments that do not pay attention to environmental conservation rules, many space utilizations that pay less attention to their abilities and access their carrying capacity. In urban areas, in open space and urban parks are still many that are below the ideal area for a city. Knowledge research by settlements and other that are considered capable of providing bigger economic benefits as a result of the reduced green open space of the city. The infiltration rate in the regions decrease will the speed and discharge of surface flow increases when it's rain falling for a long time. Then much of the rainwater will flow above ground level at large speeds and volume and then accumulates in floods.
With the main number 0, 2, and 4, I will explain the impact of flooding in Jakarta. Kodwati and Sharif provide several examples of the impact or loss of flood, loss of life or injury. loss of property, damage to settlements, damage to trade areas, damage to industrial areas, damage to agricultural areas, damage to drainage and irrigation system, damage to roads and railways, damage to highways, bridges and airports, and damage to telecommunication system. In Jakarta, due to floods in January 2013 caused as many as 83,913 people in 307 points to evacuate to a safe place. Here is the first example of the impact of flooding in Jakarta. There have been several floods in Jakarta that have claimed life, and in 2020 Jakarta is the city as the most flood victim in the last 5 years. This is the second example of a flood in Jakarta. A lot of people lost their homes and property, so that all residents had to reorganize their economy. As examples, is that the flood in Jakarta greatly disturbed the activities of the residents there because a lot of public facilities were submerged due to the.
So in conclusion, flooding is a condition where the channel is not able to accommodate water, so the water is overflow. The flood in Jakarta has been happening for a long time. The reason is there is less open land, which causes the infiltration process or the entry of water into the ground to be disturbed. The flood causes several losses, including loss of life or injury, loss of property, and loss and damage to settlement and other. Okay, that is what can I say for conclusion. I hope this can be useful for you, for all of you. And the last one, I say thank you for watching this video and goodbye.